We get this question asked a lot in our comment section, is common plumbing noises around the house. So you hear a noise and you're like, what is that? Where's it coming from? Is it a plumbing issue? This is kind of like NPR car talk right here. We're gonna start making growling noises and stuff like that. So hi, I'm Jordan. This is my dad, Jim the Grumpy Plumber. Welcome to the Grumpy Plumber.
The first thing is that when a plumber shows up, you're not gonna hear the noise. But I know it's there. I know it's happened because you would call me.
We believe you that this noise exists. Yeah.
That noise is there. But you might get a chattering sound. That can be caused by if you have the old-fashioned faucets with washers in them, that could cause that problem. If you get like a squealing sound, sometimes the ball cock on a toilet can cause that. Or if you hear that kind of a tick-tick-tick-tick-tick noise, that can be a lot of times with the pipe expanding. It might be too close to the wall. There's not a lot of things you can do about that one. You might even get a noise of, like turning on the garbage disposal. It might have a grinding sound or not making the right noise. Maybe one of the lugs, or people think they're called blades, are hung up inside the garbage disposal. A big thing too is a well tank. If you have a bladder type well tank, or if you have a expansion tank on your water heater, then those things can make a squealing sound when they get a hole in the bladder. The average life is like about 5 years for those things. So if you think you're going to get that noise, check it out. But you can get expansion tanks that get old. They don't last very long. Well tanks probably can last longer, but an expansion tank on a water heater, I find out they only got about a 5-year life on them. So keep an eye on that. Everybody wants to put an expansion tank on their water heaters.
And that makes like a squeaking noise.
It can make a squeaking noise, or if it goes bad, it'll increase the pressure when the water heater heats up. We call that thermal expansion. So that's one thing that they claim that makes a water heater, start leaking.
In your experience, is there one noise that happens most often, like the most common cause of a problem?
You might find a chattering noise on it, or you can hear.
And that's in the faucet in a lavatory.
In a faucet. A shower valve can do the same thing. A pressure balance valve. There's a little piston inside of that, a little ball bearing, and you can turn on a faucet somewhere in the house and you hear a plunk, clunking sound or something. A lot of times that comes from the pressure balance valve on a shower. So pay attention. What I'm saying is pay attention to where the noise is and see if you can track it down before you hire somebody to come in and check it out for you or repair it for you. So there you go. I hope that helps you out, and I appreciate people asking me questions and stuff on my YouTube channel. Thank you.
So if you have any questions, especially if you have a noise in your house, feel free to drop it in the comment below and Jim will get back to you on it. Thanks for watching.